This video is for educational purposes only.
Hey everyone, Tech Mahindra is hiring for the domestic BPO voice process, and they are conducting a mega online interview drive with a hybrid work model. Guys, this job posting is officially shared by Tech Mahindra company itself, so the information provided here is genuine and directly from the organization. Interviews will be conducted from 7th November to 16th November between 10 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. each day. Candidates can attend the interview during this time window as per their convenience. If you are from Chennai, you can walk in directly to the office with the address given below. If you are outside Chennai, you can attend the interview online through the Google Meet link. The job role involves providing e-commerce voice support where you will be assisting customers over calls and resolving their queries. This position follows a hybrid work model with rotational shifts and rotational weekly offs. You will be working 6 days a week with a total shift duration of 9 hours, which includes 8 hours of work and a 1-hour break. The salary for freshers is 11,700 rupees take home per month. Candidates with the 6 months or more of relevant experience will receive a take home salary of 14,000 rupees per month. Candidates who have completed a 12th or hold any graduation degree are eligible to apply. Freshers as well as candidates with up to 2 years of experience can apply for this role. Applicants must have their own laptop with an i5 processor, 10 GB or more RAM and Windows 10 operating system. A broadband internet connection with a minimum speed of 30 megabits per second is required. Please note that government issued laptops are not eligible for this job. Candidates should join the interview only using laptop. Interview must be joined only through laptop. Mobile not allowed. So if you are interested, walk in if you are in Chennai or join online if you are outside. All the details are provided below. Guys, the apply link is given in the video description, and we have also shared our Telegram link in the description. Join there for regular and genuine job updates.